Welcome. If you want to create folders on home screen in your CAT S40, at the first we have to click and hold one of the icon and then drag it for another icon, just like that. As you can see, when we make it, the folder is right here. When we tap on it, we can simply open that folder, then click here to change name, click here to confirm, and as you can see, there we got our folder. We can move it through the screen like any other icon. And if you want to remove, click, hold, and then drag it here. Right now, apps will appear in the draw menu, so if you want to put them back, just open it, then click, hold, and then drag it like that. And as you can see, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.